Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to SQL Server Big Data Analytics with Azure. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Log in using your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, locate the Create a Resource button in the upper left corner of the dashboard. Click on this button to open the resource creation menu. In the search bar, type SQL Server 2022 and press Enter. Select SQL Server 2022 from the search results. On the SQL Server 2022 page, click the Create button. You will be prompted to fill out the basics for your new SQL Server instance. Choose your subscription plan from the drop-down menu. Select an existing resource group or create a new one for this project. Enter a name for your SQL Server instance in the appropriate field. Specify the region where you want to host the instance. In the SQL Server Versions section, select SQL Server Big Data Clusters. Next, provide an admin login and password for your SQL Server instance. In the Networking tab, configure your network settings as required. You can choose to enable public access or limit it to specific IP addresses. Proceed to the Additional Settings tab to configure data sources and other options. Set your desired storage and compute settings according to your needs. Review the configurations on the summary page. Once satisfied, click on the Review plus Create button. After validation, click the Create button to start the deployment. Monitor the deployment status in the Notifications area. Once the deployment is complete, navigate to your new SQL Server resource. Click on it to access the settings and overview of your SQL Server Big Data Analytics environment. Now you are ready to start utilizing SQL Server Big Data Analytics with Azure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.